Exploring the future of food, the revolutionary role of aquaponics. Dive into the future of food, where tradition meets innovation. Welcome to the world of aquaponics, a sustainable symphony of growth. This revolutionary method combines fish farming and hydroponics, creating a closed-loop system that's changing the way we think about farming. Imagine a world where plants grow faster, using less water than traditional agriculture, all while fish provide the nutrients plants need. Aquaponics is not just a farming method, it's a solution to food scarcity, reducing water usage and eliminating chemical fertilizers. Urban areas, deserts, or places with poor soil? No problem. Aquaponics thrives in diverse environments, bringing fresh produce closer to home. From leafy greens to succulent strawberries, aquaponics is proving that it can grow a variety of foods sustainably and efficiently. Join us in exploring the future of food. Aquaponics isn't just a trend, it's a key player in our global food solution. Check out the aquaponics system in the description.